Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Of course, starting now with the 1 hour chart because it's very urgent, of course, to tell you guys that this might turn into a running flat. And I'm gonna explain. We were looking yesterday for an expanding flat, 3 waves up, 3 waves down, and of course 5 waves towards the upside. Now, I see some signal of weakness, right? So I don't like it. And I don't like to risk it anyway. So because if you took the trade right as per Elliott wave, so you should have taken already from the wave 2 here, and that you made a trade here. So yeah, so far it should be a profitable trade for you. So yeah, be careful with it to not lose your profit. Here we go. This is what I'm talking about. This is your base channel taken from your wave 1 based on your wave 2. The price has left the base channel and did not took the high, of course, or went or left this base channel. So be careful from it because that might be a weakness signal, right? So yeah, and after this, we're gonna turn into A, B, and a C as a running flat. And you know, after a running flat, that means a reversal. And of course, therefore, if it is towards the upside, it's gonna move towards the downside, of course. And it might be massive because it is a running flat, right? So what is next, guys? Very simple. Very simple here is I'm gonna just tell you what is the closest possibility for today for our possibilities on the deep analysis, right? So on the deep analysis, we have the closest scenario is a 1112. Right, so we are in 121212 probably. Now yesterday we have hit the 0.38, however now we saw a reversal. So that might be not a good signal, right? And that might mean that we're gonna continue towards the downside in at least ABC, right? Because this can be considered impulse and can be ABC. However, because we saw a corrective channel here or a corrective pattern and also a potential of reversal, is very low possibility for an ABC, guys. It is much higher possibility now that we have an A, B, and a C, or a wave 1, okay, or a wave 1. So in case we are wave 1, therefore of course we are looking for a bearish scenario, long-term bearish scenario. If we are a wave A, therefore you are looking for A, B, and a C. Now, the confluence point between those two scenarios, which are a 1112 and a diagonal. If you are 1112, yesterday we hit the 0.38, as we said. Now, of course, it might still be an ABC getting into your perfect targets for a wave 2, and then, of course, moving back towards the upside. However, in a 1112, preferably that your wave 2 continue with the same trend of your previous 1-2s, right? To see continuation, right? If we dive deeper, it becomes a little bit low possibility that we are in 1-2. However, be careful, guys. This area is very, very critical because if we are as well in a big 1-2, yeah, the 0.38 fib level of a big 1-2, which is the minimum requirement, is in confluence with this area, okay? Therefore, this is very, very critical point of reversal. It might be, so be careful at this price. Be careful from the 63,170. It might be your target, and it might be your entry point. So be careful with it. No financial advice, of course, but yes, these are very, very critical levels, and we might see something unfolding in this area. Now, so these are basically this is the thing. I don't want to add more today, so we are basically bearish. Be careful from the volatility of the market because the US election today is very, very close to an end and very close to start to get some results or some news or some rumors, okay, which it might of course affect the market. So be careful and let's watch and see what's gonna happen. I would love, of course, to make a video trading, real trading for you guys as an example how to trade Elliott Wave, how to enter your trades, and how to show the best option to enter, and how to risk your management in short and long-term strategies. So I'm gonna do this, but I doubt that I'm gonna do it today because of the volatility of the market. That would be very, very risky if I trade today, especially with short-term. That would not be really, really helpful. So I'm gonna maybe leave this for tomorrow and see how this is gonna, is gonna be tomorrow. Be careful from the news, of course. Presidential election, they say at 1 probably, but I doubt that we're gonna get like final result today. I think it's gonna be a little bit later. So yeah, be careful with it, guys. Trade safe. Have a nice day. Bye bye.